Hi, hello, good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Yesterday we learned about how to grow human being and stages of growing human beings. Today we will learn the continuous lesson of growing with time. In this lesson we learn about how to grow plants, animals with time. Before you know this, let's talk about learning to do things on our own. As we grow up, we learn to do many things on our own. Look, children, in this picture, they do some activities their own. So, which of the following activity can you do on your own? Put a right mark in the boxes. This activity is given in your textbook. If you brushing teeth on your own, take a right mark in the box. If you eating on your own, take a right mark in the box. If or in case you are eating with your parents' help, left the empty box. If you doing homework yourself, take right mark in the box. In case you are making your own bed yourself without your parents' help, take right mark in the box. Children, listen carefully. You must do some activities, do yourself and sharing with work at home. By doing this, your muscles are improved and improve your working skill, develop the love affection with your parents, helping nature is improve. So you must do some activities on your own, like eating, brushing, making your own bed, like that you doing your own. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನೀವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿಂತಾನೆ ನಾನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಚಿತ್ರಗಳಿವೆ. ಆ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಂತದಾಗಿ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಂತ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನೀವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವತಃ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಡನಾಟ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ನಿಮಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಡುವೆ ಒಡನಾಟ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಡೂ ಸಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್. ಓಕೆ, then now we can go for plants and animals grow with time. All living things grow, thus plants, animals also grow with time. A kitten is a small kitten is there. A kitten grows into a cat. Next, a duckling becomes a duck. Small baby duckling is there. That is duckling. Duckling become a duck. A chick become a hen. Small hen is there. Small baby. Yes, that is duckling. Sorry, chick. Chick becomes a hen. Then puppy. Puppy becomes a dog. Small dog is there. That is puppy. Puppy becomes a dog. Calf. Calf becomes a cow. Small baby cow is there. That is calf. Calf becomes a cow. Then lamb. Small lambs are there. Lambs becomes a sheep. Okay, children. A baby a baby sheep is called a lamb. As animals grow, they do changes in the way to do. First stage of baby animal, then size will be changes and that becomes a animal. Like as a plant also two changes in size, just the way we do. In the same way, seed becomes a plant, plant becomes a tree. I give one activity for you. See children, you take a waste bowl or pot and put the soil in it. Then you plant the seed and pour the water. You put water on it daily. After some days, it grows into a plant. Then send me a photo when you plant the seed. Okay, children? Then, in the same way, human beings, animals, and plants grow with time. Okay, children? Now we are going to textbook. In the textbook, some activities are there. That is, match the following, match the picture, choose the correct answer or choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. So, you must write in your textbook and in the notes also. I hope you do that work. Okay, bye. Take care, children.